This is a quick video. I've had emails and messages from people asking to clean their nozzles because they can't seem to get anything in there to clean them out properly. And the simple way is, these are small cable ties. You get them on mobile phones and things like that, on the cables, like charging cables and that. And all you do is straighten it out as much as you can, best you can, and all you do is just get your nail on there and you just pull that and strip that off, and that is just about right. This is a nozzle. This is a 1/4 inch nozzle, and all you do is just poke it in the holes, turn it around a little bit, into jets, or reverse jets, just turn it round, poke them in, and that is enough to clean the nozzle out. Then afterwards, give it a bang, make sure anything comes out. If you can see anything inside there at all, just poke it back in there and clear it out and tap it, and that is it. What I sometimes do is I use a bit of WD-40 on a straw, and I'll poke it in there and give it a squirt, and just tap it out, and that is it. That's all you need to do. So that is the easiest way to do it. Alright, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.